Hi, today we're going to show you how to add a program shortcut to the startup folder so that the program starts when you start your computer. First of all, we'll click on the Start button in Windows 10, and then we'll click on Settings, and then we'll click on Apps, and then we'll click on Startup. Now here is a list of programs that are running on Startup, and you can turn them off and back on it in this screen. However, you cannot add extra programs. If you want to add a program shortcut to the startup folder, this is what you've got to do. You go to the Start button, and then we'll select an app. So we'll select say WordPad. I right click on WordPad and I click on More, and then I click on Open File Location. Now I right click on the WordPad shortcut and then I click on Copy. Now I need to copy it to the location where the startup folder is. So then I right click on the Windows 10 Start button, I click on Run, and now I type in shell common space startup, and OK. Here is the location for the global startup programs. So to add the WordPad shortcut into this startup location, I just right click here and then left click on Paste, and then I click on Continue to provide administrator permission, and now you'll see the shortcut showing in this folder. If I go back into the Settings, Apps, Startup, you'll now see that the Windows WordPad application is added to this list. Okay, you can also see your startup programs by right clicking on the taskbar, left click on Task Manager, click on the Startup tab, and you'll also see here Windows WordPad application. You can also disable the startup programs in this screen by clicking on the application and then clicking on Disable. To add a program to the individual user startup, you right click on the Windows Start button, you click on Run, and then you just type in shell startup. And this brings up the individual user's startup program location. And if I click in that WordPad shortcut, I've actually posted the startup program twice. So if I go into Task Manager again and click on Startup, you'll notice I've got it running twice, set up twice in the startup folder. I hope you liked this video. Please comment and subscribe if you like. Thank you.